Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, issues with icon spacing for desktop icons. Type regedit. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand control panel. Click and expand desktop. Click window metrics. Open icon spacing. Change value to -1125. Click OK. Close and exit Registry Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.